Why are we encouraging people to sit with us in this 2-day intensive? What are the main areas we're going to be focusing on?
But we do exercises, we do activities, we play games, and every one of the exercises, activities, and games are designed to create different experiences and different opportunities to learn. It's like a light bulb goes off when you can see something and then you can start to correct it or change it or adopt it. The power of the work that we do is not sitting with us for 2 days, it's actively participating in the workshop. This is not going to be a lecture for 16 hours. We're going to be doing exercises and activities and breakout sessions. And so you're going to be learning from the exercise and process itself. You're going to be learning from the different topics that we're going to be covering, which are relatable to every single aspect of our lives. Abundance, prosperity, and what gets in the way. Love, I talked about forgiveness. I talked about getting past our limiting beliefs. I talked about attitude changes. I talked about actions. I also talked about risk taking. So we're going to be doing exercises, activities, and games that are designed to facilitate creating breakthroughs, epiphanies, ahas, discoveries. And then through that, we can take action to create new results and the life that we want. An opportunity to learn from your fellow students, because you're going to find out you're not alone. You're going to find out there are other people who have not just similar backgrounds and experiences to you. You know, we can always learn from people. We just don't always learn from people. We'll be taking 2 days. And of course, there will be breaks. It's not like you're going to be in a training room for 8 hours without a break. Zoom lunch together. Sometimes we'll have refresh breaks, bathroom. And then we're also going to be doing some committed action to create results in our lives. So there's going to be homework between the first night and the second night. Interactive. It's going to be fun. It's going to be emotional. It's going to be a challenging opportunity, and have to look at yourself, and you're going to have to really be honest about yourself. And so there are many ways that we're going to be participating in these 2 days. The 2 days are going to go by very fast.